Hey, so I really like photography and been really into all the selfie stuff that everyone's shooting. And so when the selfie sticks came out, I thought to myself, I really want to try one of these. So I'm just gonna like unbox this and kind of see what we got, see what happens with this stuff. So I got this kind of cheap version just to try it out. Got this nice couple on the front. I guess I just kind of flip their face, but they look like they're really happy there. And kind of like, there we go. You can kind of see what they're up to. But so I thought I'd just maybe give it a try, see what all this action's about. Kind of like test it out. Oops, accidentally just undid that. But yeah, so seems like this selfie stick is a little bit kind of slow. So this is its reach up here. This is what we got. Taking a look around. Really nice landscape here. When it's a no back since that why they are shouldn't hear this back. Sit I guess I'd sit it was in my house. Always get what we said nothing says cabna killing it in my first season we're gonna really rock. First I'm start down mix see first and first making it we know we read that first see first a lot of illuminate you forgot really yeah first here